Good morning, student. Today our 11th standard biology topic is phylum Stenophora. Steno means comb, poros means bearing. Okay, Stenophora are exclusively marine. It is present in the marine. It is bilateral chemical and diploplastic animal with tissue level of organization. They are diploplastic. They are diploplastic. Their mesocolia is different from that of cnidaria. The mesocolia different from the cnidaria. It contains amoebocytes and smooth muscle cell. It having a smooth muscle cell. The muscle having a very smooth. That way it is called smooth muscle cells. They have 8 external rows of ciliate comb plates, which help in locomotion. One type of ciliate combs plate are present in the Stenophora. What is the purpose? It is help in the locomotion purpose. Then hence commonly called comb jellies or sea walnut and bioluminescence. The ability of living organism emit light. Bioluminescence means in the night time they are emitting the light. The lack of nematocyte but possess special cells called lysocell, hollow blood which help in food capture. The food capturing one of the special structure cells called present, that is called lysocells or chloroplasts. Digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. Sexes are not separate, monoecious. They reproduce only by a sexual means. Fertilization is external and development is indirect and include a larger stage called cydibeat larva, example Pleuroplanchia. Then phylum Platyhelminthes, that is called flatworm. Platy means broad or Platyhelminth means worm. Worm means புழு மாதிரி இருக்கிறாங்க என்ன பேர்லாம் Platyhelminthes. ஓகேவா? They have a dorsoventrally platted body, hence called flatworm. டார்சோ நீளமாக இருக்கும், நீள்வாக்கில் இருக்கிறது பிளாட்டடாக இருக்கும். That way it is called flatworm. The animal or bilaterally symmetrical triploplastic. ஆல்ரெடி bilateral என்னது கட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா ரெண்டாக பெரியது. டிப்ளோபிளாஸ்டிக்னா தேவைய ட்ரிபிள் பிளாஸ்டுலா present. ஓகேவா? Acoelomate with organ system level of organization. This show the moderate separation and unidirectional movement. They are mostly endoparasite of animals, including human beings. Cooks or suckers are present in the parasitic form and serve as organ attachment. Their body is not segmented, but some expeted pseudo segmentation. Some of the parasitic platform absorb nutrition directly from the coast. It is present in the coast. At that time, it will absorb the nutrition directly from the coast through their body surface. Through the body surface, suck the nutrition. Platforms. However, the flatworm like liver fluke have a incomplete digestive system. The flatworm like that is name is called liver fluke have a incomplete digestion. Incomplete means the digestion organs are not completely present. Digestive system is incomplete present. Okay, then specialty externally that is called flame help in the osmolation of excretion. One of the cells, the excretion cells name is called flame cell. Help in the osmolation of and excretion. Okay, sexes are not separate. That is called monoecious. That means the two types of sex, both male and female, present in the only one species. Then fertilization is internal and development is through larval stage, miracidium, sporocyte radia, and cercaria. Then polyembryony is common. Some platforms, liver flukes, some members like planaria show high regeneration capacity. The example Taeniasodium, Vesicola hepatica, then Schistoma. Then third one is phylum Aschelminthes, that is called roundworm. Okay, Ascus means cavity, helminthes means worm. Previously called Nematoda, this phylum previously called Nematoda. This phylum is now named as the Aschelminthes. The body of the worm is circular round, is cross section and hence called roundworms. The cross section, the body show the round structure. That way it is called roundworm. They are free living parasite and aquatic and terrestrial plant and animal. They are free living means they are not defending another animal. They are free living. Then also it is called some parasitic. They are bilateral chemical diploplastic pseudocoelomate and animals with the organ system level of the body is unsegmented and covered by a transparent stuck reproductive collagenous layer called cuticle. Then Alimentary canals is completely with well-developed mouth, muscular pharynx and anus. Okay, ma? Alimentary canal present in a well-developed mouth, muscles, pharynx and excretory system contains a renate gland. Sexes are separate. Excretory sexual dimorphism often female longer than male. The female longer than male. Compared to male and female is a long. Fertilization internal majority are oviparous. That means Ascar is few are oviparous. That is Ucheria. Development may be direct or indirect. Example Acheria lumbricoides, Endrybius vermicularis, and Ucheria pancreatic and Cyclotostoma demata. That is called cookworm. Today homework in phylum Ascalminthus, Platyhelminthes and Ctenopora. These are the homework. 3 phylum. Okay, Ctenopora. Explain the phylum Ctenopora, Platyhelminthes and Ascalminthus. Study and write. Thank you, students.